Good morning, 5 August, Oorlogskloof. Roughly translated would be Horrorween.
Anybody want people chicken?
We are at Groottuin. We overnight here. We're gonna start the hike from here. But let me first show you around. Kitchen here. You got a fridge there, long table. I have no idea what this is, but there,
No, it's got like a tiny
Dry
spot.
area.
I don't wanna fuck with the, it's like a tiny little hole. Probably need something to do that.
beds, bunks.
Where's
Let
that
me go show you the
Angel?
toilets. Toilets is a distance from here. I believe there's hot water here.
Kinda hot water.
Shower,
Leave it long enough to run.
toilets. Here we go!
Oh yeah,
Torture!
born ready.
Rock Pigeon Trail, day 1. 5 days, 52 Ks.
That's 52 K.
52 Ks in total.
Okay.
Okay.
Day 1, 4 Ks. Supposed to take us 5 to 6 hours. Supposed to introduce us to the varied terrain.
Beautiful.
Let the adventure begin. The guy was in mushrooms. It is clear. It is up and down. It's an obstacle course in the mountain. It's a must do.
Yeah, yeah. Ready for that ladder?
Are you ready for number 1? Ladder number 1. Introductory laddering.
It's educational and an introduction. Introductional.
Yeah.
No? This is basically this guy's plan for the next
Yeah.
couple of days. Up and down these little crevices. And even through the hole sometimes.
Yeah. Who's gonna take?
Okay, you two will stand there. I'll see you in about this.
Yeah, maar that's why I prepared to pay a retainer now already.
Oh man, thank you.
Oh yeah.
Diamonds.
No, it's not diamonds and a lion.
Here's our first down.
Looks like our first down here, yes.
Downhill, I mean.
Downhill, downhill, downhill. Kinda tough. I'm not saying it is tough, it looks kinda tough. Get it up in.
It goes to sticky
And
Christmas.
the sole seems okay still.
Yeah.
It still seems firm enough. I know, because I carried your shoes from the car. Yeah, I'm glad I brought the boots.
How's it going so far?
We're going to be sore tonight.
We'll see.
After day number 3, we're going to be in a lot of pain.
Taking a break.
Ron likes
Just stripping, that's it.
Oh, okay.
Not a full on break.
No, it's just a...
Just a little bit of uphill. Partly chain, partly leather. Huh?
Yeah, just scramble down, yeah. I think the chain is mostly to keep it in place.
Chain is actually a pain.
Oh, you can... Nah, it's definitely around. This is the unsympathetic to two people on this side.
We walked just over an hour. This is the view here. From that sign you turn left. Brakwater is to the left. What's Brakwater in English?
Something water.
Yes.
Brackish water.
Drop us a note in the comments. Look at the cousins running over there. They're on the grass pits there. Wow. Beautiful.
What's that?
Hut.
Really?
That's a hut, but that is.
But not our hut.
So there's a hut up ahead. I don't think this is our hut because we've only been walking for an hour and a half. And word is that the hut after Grootplein is about 4 hours of walking. So let's see what this is all about. Brakwater. So one thing is for sure, you don't need tents. Is this the hut?
Welcome to my
I thought they said it was gonna be a 4-hour walk.
welcome to my palace, meneer.
Let's see
Warm
what.
showers.
This is 10-star accommodation. I hope you guys can see. But it's kind of dark in here.
For everyone. Hopefully.
Check this out. We've got nice naughty pine. Smells amazing. We've got an indoor shower as well. No, this is fantastic. This is the toilet here. Was the toilet? Can't shit indoors anymore.
Yeah, see the toilet is outside.
No, this is beautiful.
So no, that's like the trail run.
So, day one
Doing a trail run.
took us from Grootplein to Brakwater. We were told it was gonna be a 4-hour walk, but we did it in an hour and a half. I don't know, we must be fit. But yeah, let's have a look around. Let's see what's happening here. Toilet is distant.
I'm gonna have to put my keys on this road for that to happen.
I will not take anything, right?
Yeah. So what's your take on this hut so far?
That's like amazing. I
Yeah.
can't believe we're here already.
Oh, it's not cold water. We've got hot water shower there.
No, and that's impossible.
Look at the keys on top there. Okay, econ toilet. Let's see. Oh man.
Ah, what'll do? Short drop. Not a long drop.
I suppose there's a river here, no?
Yeah, looks like there's something down here.
Some wild zebras. So we're just gonna go and have a look at them. We'll see later if apparently the geyser don't work, but we'll check it out later. Maybe they fix it in the meantime. But yeah, an amazing hut.